Hello, welcome back to another piano lesson. So in this video we are going to be treating the diminished seventh chord of the flat 5 tone. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to demonstrate how this diminished seventh of the flat 5 tone is used in some series of songs. Then I'm now going to explain everything you need to know about it. Okay, so make sure you hang around. So if you are familiar with this song, You Are God by Nathaniel Bassey, this is how the diminished seventh chord of the flat 5 tone is used in this song. So here's how it goes. You are God from beginning to the end. There's no space. This is the chord, okay? For argument before you get to the one. You are God all by yourself. Okay? You are God from beginning to the end. There's no space for argument. You are God all by yourself. Okay, that's how it's used in this song. Look at it in this song, Alpha and Omega. Okay, we worship you. Here's the chord again. To be praised. You see what I did? We worship you. Here's the chord. Our Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Okay, here is it in this song. What a friend we have in Jesus. Again, okay, before we get to the one. Okay, you can see the diminished seventh chord of the flat 5 tone is a very beautiful passing chord that leads to the one. Okay, there are still many songs that uses this, but I just picked this few. So now let me explain what's actually going on. Okay, so the lesson is actually in the key of C sharp. So this is the C sharp major scale. This is the first note of the scale, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So this is the fifth. Remember, flatting means reducing by a half step. That is by one note. So we're going to reduce this by a half step. We've gotten G. So G is the flat 5 tone in the C sharp major scale. Okay. So what we're now going to do after this, we're now going to build the diminished seventh chord in this flat 5 tone, which is G diminished seventh chord. So this is it. So to build diminished seventh chord, it's very simple. Remember, you hold the roots, which must be the key you want to build the diminished seventh chord off. Then you count 3 semitones. Okay, that's 3 times. So 1, 2, 3 to get the second note of the chord. 1, 2, 3 to get the third note of the chord, and count again 1, 2, 3 to get the fourth note of the chord. So this is the diminished seventh chord of the flat 5 tone. Very simple. This chord is a very wonderful chord. It gives a kind of jazzy sound. Okay, it's a wonderful sound that resolves you to the one. So whenever you know there's a kind of gap before you get to the chord 1 in any song, you can just play this diminished seventh chord of the flat 5 tone before you get to the 1. It gives a very wonderful sound. Okay, for example, look at how it's also using the song I Surrender All. Is it before you get to the 1? I surrender. So it's it works in most songs. Okay, just kind of, you have to just get the timing right. Okay, and now, so that you will not get confused, there's one very important thing you need to note about this diminished seventh of the flat 5 tone. This is it here. The diminished seventh chord of the flat 5 tone is actually the same thing as the diminished seventh chord of the 6th tone. Okay, and it's also the same thing as the diminished seventh chord of the 1st tone. So this is the let's see, yes, This is the diminished 7th chord of the 4th tone, and this is the diminished 7th chord of the flat 3. So all these chords I play are actually the same thing, okay? So it's just the arrangement of the notes that differs. So the diminished 7th chord of the flat 5 tone is the same thing as the diminished 7th chord of the 6th tone, which is this. You can see they contain the same notes but just different arrangements. So it's just literally inversions, okay? Inversions of the diminished 7th chord of the flat 5 tone. So just get that. So this is the diminished 7th chord of the 1st tone. It's still the same thing. This is the diminished 7th chord of the flat 3 tone. Okay, so they are the same thing. They are all the same thing. You can use any inversions. They are just the inversions of the diminished 7th chord of the flat 5 tone. So don't get confused about that. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you find value in this video. If you do so, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this in future, okay? So we are going to see you in our future videos. Thanks for watching.